Hello, trading has closed on February 5th, 2025. As always, we'll start with our disclaimer, go over our calls, then make our predictions. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, which is Thursday, February 6th. Please remember, my calls can change, my calls can be wrong, trade at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early low, that's this. Tomorrow should have the early high. We said yesterday's pattern was negative. We looked for a drop, which we got. I said that would open the door to a much larger drop unless we took out this high early. That's this price here. Well, we took it out, which killed the idea. I can't really say it was early, so since it wasn't early, I have to call that a miss. During the day, MEJT said this drop is false, wouldn't stick, said this rally's false, won't stick, gives us the target of 6,046.70. If we don't gap up smartly, that's my call for tomorrow. It's just a reminder of what we said. The general idea is that's an impulse, that's not. And eventually this overlapping correction is going to fail. And eventually, before taking out this high, we're going to drop. And it's just a question of finding where this move ends. I still think we're in the fourth wave. I don't think we're in wave 5. And I can't count the wave as being over. Well, this is the old count. It's too bad that we overtook this, which killed the idea, because if we had kept on dropping, everything would have worked out. These don't belong there. So we have to find some other way to count this. Maybe this is the idea. Maybe this is wave A. Maybe this is a 61.8% retrace for B. Maybe we have an ABC with C equal to A, and maybe we just haven't seen green C yet. We have green A, we have green B. Maybe we still have to get red C of green C. Let's focus in on recent action with smaller time frames. The current idea is, if that's A, then we have ABC for A, ABC for B, and then A, B, C for C, and blue A and blue C are equal. So if we stop here, this doesn't belong there. So if we stop here, which hasn't happened yet, we should be starting in red C of green C down. And if we keep going up, then that's just not the right idea. We have 5 waves up. We have a wall into the close. We have a stop exactly within 1 cent at the December FOMC announcement price, which is resistance. There's a wall into resistance. If we drop right from the open, it's a perfect pattern. And if we keep going up, then it's the wrong idea, and that we're not going to know till the open. But if we do gap down, if this is the right idea, if we do gap down, then that should hold. And if it doesn't, then something else is going on. We should see 6,046.70, and at some point we're going to see 59.84.55. So we think. So tomorrow's pattern has a really high regardless of where we open. Typically it's a rally day with a high in the final hour. If you fail, it's a straight line drop. There's a lower target. If we don't gap up smartly, the rules say it prints. There's a wall into the close. There's an A equals C right at the top. There's FOMC resistance right at the top. Today's a candidate for a significant top. But if it is, we should drop right from the open, ideally by gapping down smartly. We keep going up instead, something else is going on, then I don't have a good plan for that. We gap down right from the open, I think it's a short with a stop over this high. It's a pattern with the early high. Usually it's a bullish take. If you fail, it's a straight line drop, and I think early on we're going to know, I hope we're going to know if we get the straight line drop or if something else is going on. And that's today's call.